Hey there, YouTube friends. My Ford Fusion Sport is due for an oil change, so I'm going to get to it right now. Alright, I have my car up on the ramps. I have my oil pan ready to go. Put down some plastic to catch any oil that may drip. And now I'm just going to take the oil cap off and place it to the side. Okay, now to get to the oil filter, I have to take this cover off right here. And I just have to take out a couple of bolts. And I'm going to be using a 10mm socket. Okay, now I'm just going to take the plug out, set it to the side, open up the vent so the oil flows smoothly. And now using a 15mm socket, I'm going to take out the drain plug. Okay, so the plug is kind of tight. I can't really loosen it. Just using the socket wrench, so I'll show you a little trick. Okay, so what I did is I put a copper pipe over the socket wrench so I could get more leverage, and now it'll crack. See that? Just that little bit of leverage that I had did it. So now it'll come right out. Just hit the pan up. There's the drain plug. All the oil is drained, so we're just going to put it back now. And I'm just going to hand tighten it. I'll just wipe it off with a rag. I'll just get my socket on and tighten it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take the oil filter off, and I should be able just to loosen it just with my hand. There we go. There's the new filter from Extragard PH10575. I'm using Ford Motorcraft 5W20 synthetic blend motor oil. Now I'm just going to put a little oil to coat the rim on the top. Rub it around my finger. Okay, now we're just going to screw on the oil filter. We don't need to make it super tight. Okay, now we're all done with the oil pan. Put the vent cap back on, the drain plug back in. I'll just clean it up later. Okay, now I'll just put the cover back on. Okay, now I'm about to put the oil in. I have a 3.5 liter, so I need 5.5 quarts. So you want to check how much oil your vehicle needs. Okay, now you want to remember to put the cap back. I'm going to take it off the ramps, put it on a level surface, and make sure the oil level is good. Okay, now we want to reset the oil reminder, so I'm going to hit setup, and you'll see it change. It says reset for system check. I'm going to hit setup one more time. You'll see it says oil life 1%. If I hit the reset button, you'll see it changes, and I hold it down. Now the oil life says 100%. Okay, so now we're good. If I just go back to info, and it gets me back to the main screen where it says 99 miles to empty. And that's it. That's all you got to do. save your trip to the local place to get your oil changed. That's it for me for now. Please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you next time.